So first question, what is your vision?
I am an architect, and at the same time, we are builders. So we construct buildings.
So how long have you worked in that kind of job?
Normally, we have been working with design build. We are doing design build for almost 20 years.
Have you experienced in using substandard structural materials?
Since we are profit oriented, it comes to mind like using materials that are low in quality. So those are substandard.
Fourth, what is your definition of substandard materials?
Okay, substandard materials are those that are of low quality and low in size that are not consistent with acceptable standards.
Can you compare or give an example of the differences of substandard materials and structural subs?
Okay, so materials that are substandard, just like say for example for a deform bar, there is that 10 mm. So if you see 10 mm, we can there's physically when you look at the material, there's that marking. So there is a specific marking that specifies that is 10 mm. So if you look at substandard, it's that the marking is not present and the size is also lower. It's smaller in size.
On what type of building or infrastructures have you encountered in using substandard structural materials?
It's not that we are doing it, we are practicing, but there are maybe those items part of the job that can be low lesser quality material is being used, um, specifically when we do houses, in other words, low cost housing, so that we apply low quality materials, considering the costing also that is cheaper.
So, and eighth question, is it okay or tolerable to use substandard structural materials?
Personally or professionally, it is not acceptable, but sometimes clients would prefer uh, um, substandard material, that because they are also working on a certain budget that is also um, low. So we are working with a certain budget that only substandard material can support.
Should we turn a blind eye on those that uses substandard materials or report them to the authorities?
Normally, um, using substandard material is just similar to taking some risk, because obviously it will result to some sort of defects, and most most um, there are some tendencies to have um, accidents, no, to happen.
Have you experienced constructing a building and collapse due to using of substandard structural materials?
Not exactly collapse, but there are some defects that is due to that practice of using low or substandard material.
How often have you experienced this kind of problem in construction?
It's minimal because we are trying our best to use quality or our materials that is so standard in quality, that's acceptable in the practice.
So, 12, what is your own opinion in using substandard materials?
Um, Using substandard material is out. Actually, we are not. It is not for me. I should avoid practicing the use of some substandard materials.
If you were to choose, what type of materials would you use?
Basically, in any part of structure, there is always a specification. So in building a house, we'll have to deal with specs, no, as to what material that is specified. So as long as you follow what is specified on the what type of material is being specified, and of course that will be of standard quality.
Would you settle for low standard but cheap materials or high standard but expensive?
Then in the first place, what is on the specification, that is material that is of standard, that is of good quality, so that should be followed. Using substandard material will only be maybe done when the client dictates, no, that they want that to be used, but that's against our practice.
Depende ra dyan sa kailangan. So,
Yeah, normally it depends on the budget. So it goes with the budget that because according for them, using substandard meaning lesser cost.
what are the advantages of using substandard structure?
I don't see any advantage using substandard material will maybe mean low cost, but that's it's the rest. It's a high risk is there.
What are the disadvantages of using substandard structure?
Disadvantages, there are a lot of disadvantages. Maybe the advantage is you have a lesser cost, but the disadvantages are more of the advantages. So bona na siya, like the rest of collapse, um, and some accidents that might happen.
Is it okay to sacrifice the strength or durability of the building in order to cut expenses?
No, in the long run, it will be expensive because the cost of repair is too high. So if you build using standard material, it will mean high at first, but in the long run, there's no more repairs. So it will turn out expensive when you do cheaper at first using low substandard material, but there are some repairs to be done, and the cost of like if there are some accidents that will happen.
Is it necessary to hire professional construction?
Yes, it should be. That's the first priority because it's not that expensive, but you are because when you employ professionals, you're assured of doing the right thing. So in reality, you save a lot because you'll be using material that is that just right for the job.
Do you do substandard structural materials help in making the establishment more efficient?
No, because the result of using substandard material, like it causes some deformation, so some cracks, no, it happens, and when you if the establishment is doing some production, and if there are some repairs to be made, so it will disrupt the operation.
Last question. What advice can you give to those people planning on using substandard structural materials?
So those people that are practicing the use of substandard material, so I suggest you better try to compare if you are really considering the cost. So compare the cost of the standard material as compared to using the substandard at first, but if you will have to pay for future repairs that is recurring in the future.
Okay, that will be all. Thank you.
Okay.